So I just took the intake off of the, oh. Hi, this is a banger, dude. I don't know how anyone gets anything done with this song playing. Anyway, so I found some evidence of a head-on collision. There's a bunch of like glass pieces all through here. The front of the motor is also like wet with coolant, I think, because the radiator smashed in and got everything wet. I didn't notice this before, but this fan clutch is like all wobbly, probably because it got hit in the front. But this is good, because it means the vehicle's running when it was hit. Because it's kind of scary when you get to a yard and there's a vehicle that you need parts from, like drivetrain parts, but the vehicle's in good shape, and you're like, why was this thing here, you know? So, makes me feel better about the purchase, but hot pickles. Yeah. Oh, what a good song, dude. It's hard to get anything done when this banger's playing, dude. Whew. Anyway, so I just got the valve covers off. I've never been inside of one of these engines before, but jeez, dude, it looks new in there. Go over to this side. Yeah, that's in such good shape. There aren't even like wear marks on any of the cams or nothing. I know there's gonna be a bunch of Toyota, Lexus fanboys in the comments like, mine has 1,000,000 miles on it, you don't know what you're talking about. And you know what? You're right, because I've never been inside of one of these before, ever. I only have experience with, you know, GM, LS, Duramax, and anything Army, which is certified for Schitzel from the factory by. Just, that's a rant for another day, whatever. But now I'm gonna finish putting the valve seals back on this one, and just replacing some of the things on the front of the motor, just so I get the best parts from both engines. Like, I don't know if you can see this. This guy's kind of wobbly. I was gonna replace these plastic covers with the other one because they're in better shape. Just trying to get the best parts from both. Finish putting this together. I'm also gonna drop like the lower oil pan just to clean up the bottom to see if there's any like sludge down there. Probably isn't based off of what the top looks like, but might as well while it's out. That's not pretty, but out with the bad and in with the new. Tuck it in gently with a screwdriver. There we go. Oh, what? There we go. Ah. And that's how it's supposed to sit. Cool. All right, so I just finished moving everything from the blown up engine to the new one. New, old, new to me. And it's ready to get installed. These headers are actually for a Sequoia, but they bolt on. You get what you pay for, though. Some of the holes needed to be widened out so that they'd line up, but hey, 150 bucks ain't bad compared to those Doug Doherty or whatever the crap his name is. Headers are like $900 for a set of shorty headers. I'm like, stupid. Anyway, yeah, get this thing plopped in. Stay tuned.